Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a plate that it's not on the wheel. Okay, this plate I already made before. It's with no glazing on top. It's just a plate that I made on the wheel. This is red clay that I wanted to use. And I already flattened it out. Now I'm just gonna make it smooth. I like to use plates that are made from clay that I make, because then I can choose the shape that I want, like this, and I already made it. And since I don't put the glaze on top, then I can use it as a template, I guess you would say, to make another plate like that. So here's what I'm gonna do. And then I use a sponge. I go like that. I make a pattern. Make it smooth. The pattern that I decided to use is like that. I mean, I'm not gonna cut it completely round. I'm gonna try to make it that it's not gonna be completely round, because that's the way I want it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this, like that, you know, so it's not completely even. Alrighty. Then all I have to do is make this smooth. And I want to push it towards the plate because I want it to be flat as much as I can. So I'm pushing it. Then I don't want the edges to be sharp, so I'm gonna clean them. Now once it's dry, not completely dry, here's what I do, because sometimes what happens with plates, the first time you put it in the kiln and first firing, then you know, comes out and you think, oh, it's beautiful, came out very nice, I like it, whatever. And then you put it a second time in the kiln. Sometimes it gets like I call it a belly, because it goes like that. So what I do is I use something, something that I prepared. It's plastic bag with sand in it, and then when it's a little bit dry, I put it like this, two of them on top of the plate, and that's it basically. So, and then the second firing that I do comes out fine. Today, well, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I was going to put a stamp in the middle, but I'm not so sure, but I can think about it and do it later. And that's it. Very simple.